Hey guys, today I'll be sharing with you a vegan recipe, which is the one and only Nutella. The only difference between this Nutella and the store-bought one is that this is vegan and it's so much healthier and even tastier than the actual one. You'll be able to make a cup of Nutella with the amount of ingredients used in this recipe. So first of all, you'll need a cup of hazelnuts, of course, and you'll also need a 4th cup of any plant milk. I used almond milk. A 4th cup of maple syrup. You can use more if you want it to be more sweet, but personally I like it to be less sweet. You'll need an 1/8 cup of cacao powder, a tablespoon of vanilla extract. I didn't show it here, but I also used a little bit of salt for my Nutella to just bring out that sweetness. Here I just preheated my oven to 200 degrees Celsius, which is 400 Fahrenheit for Americans. Then I put all my hazelnuts on the baking tray. I tried to make sure that it was all spread out evenly so that it would get toasted without getting burnt. Then I set the timer for 7 minutes, but 6 minutes would be fine as well, as mine were a little burnt at the end. And now you gotta wait. Here I'm just checking on my hazelnuts. There should be a little bit of oil coming out, which is normal. Three, 2, 1, and it's done. Make sure you wear a glove because the tray is hot. I almost burnt myself. Do not spoon it with the spoon like me. It was so time consuming. So in the end, I just opted for something else. As you can see, I struggled with the spoon so much I had to use this clip thing for the oven tray. The last 3 were so annoying. And start blending until it forms a paste. At first it's gonna be powdery, but slowly you'll start to see it forming into a butter type texture. It actually took mine around 4 minutes or 5 minutes. So after the hazelnuts has been turned to a buttery texture, you'll need to add the rest of the ingredients. And after you've added everything in, just start blending again until everything is combined. And I prefer mine a little nuttier, so I didn't blend it for too long. But if you like your Nutella to be really smooth, just blend for longer. See, now it's Nutella. Now you just have to spoon it out into a jar. This is an old pumpkin seed butter jar that I'm using. You can use any jar you want. Just try to get every bit out. But it's hard. I'm just saying. I'm just telling you. It was hard. Here, because I still have a lot of Nutella left over, In my blender, I added some almond milk to make a Nutella milk drink. It actually reminds me of this drink from Nut Tea, and they've just opened in Hong Kong. It is really good. They have a hazelnut based milk foam on top, which tastes exactly like this. It's like chocolate milk. It was so good. Here I'm just putting a label onto the jar so that no one will steal my Nutella. But you don't have to do it if you don't want to. Popped in 2 hazelnuts, and voila, here's your vegan Nutella. I decided to toast some bread so that I could try out my freshly made Nutella. It doesn't look that good, I think, in this video, but trust me, it tastes really good. Thank you for watching and see you next time.